Hi guys, welcome to the 15th video of Module 6. And over here we are going to add the readme.md file to our GitHub repository and then understand the readme.md file for this project I have already created in a step-by-step manner, and you can create one that is very similar to this the way you would like to have it for yourself. So let's get started. Well, I've pushed all the changes to the GitHub repository and I've also added this readme file, that is star type prediction API, and I've given some details how you can set up everything, clone the repository with this command, then create a virtual environment, how you can install the dependencies that we are having for this project, and how you can run this particular fast API app by using this particular command in the terminal. And then what is the example, then how they can test it on the real star data taken from Wikipedia. What is the project structure, what does each and every file indicates over here, and then contribute queries suggestions. So yeah, that's about that's our simple readme.md file over here that everyone can see and understand what's really going on. And yeah, everywhere else I've also added doc strings and everything, as you can see. Alright guys, so I hope that you are able to understand that how you can create your readme.md file for this particular project, and maybe you can have exactly very similar to how I have designed over here, or maybe slightly different depending on what type of things you would like to add for your readme.md file. So yes, that was all about this particular video.